Hello everyone, welcome back to WebToTech channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Messenger app on iPhone. Now let's get started with the easy steps. So first of all, launch App Store on your iOS device. Here we go. Now once you are here, you can see the search option at the bottom right corner. So tap on it. Now go to the search bar and search for Messenger. Then tap on Search. Now tap on Messenger application at the top. Now you can see that I have an icon of cloud and download button instead of download because I previously had Messenger application downloaded on my iPhone. Now in case if you never had Messenger application downloaded on your iOS device before, you would see the option of Get instead of this cloud and download button. For your information, this cloud and download button denotes that my Messenger data has been saved on my iCloud. So let me tap on this button to download Messenger app on my phone once again. Now let's wait for some time until the app is downloading. You can also see the time countdown mentioned just beside the app downloading button. Well, sometimes it may take longer than the time stated, so you may have to wait for a while longer. Now just tap on Open once the application has been downloaded. Also, before using Messenger application, make sure that you are signed up for your Facebook account. Without Facebook account, you won't be able to use your Messenger app. So that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos.